What recession? Razer's $2,800 Blade gaming laptop sells out in 30 minutes. Months we've been waiting on Razer's Blade notebook, a $2,800 17-inch beast that we weren't sure whether to laud or mock. It's just that it's kind of a strange thing to see making a big debut when people are more cautious than usual with their money, and PC gaming, as ever, is being declared dead. But after our hands on at CES, we were convinced that it was at the very least impressive and well built, and apparently enough other people thought so that Razer sold out almost immediately. Now, the actual number sold isn't mentioned, but Razer isn't a small company and they were going all out with this thing at CES. But we've seen devices launch to sales of dozens, so a strong response to a launch like this is definitely good news. The company shared the news on their Facebook page and urges prospective buyers to sign up for a notification email list. Hopefully that $2,800 won't burn a hole in your pocket in the meantime. Personally, I'm more excited about their plans to disconnect the touchscreen and LCD keys from the laptop, making a customizable piece of hardware you can use with your existing PC. I'm not really down with the small screen gaming, and I like my keyboards a little meatier, so the Blade isn't for me, but I do have deer envy when I see all those future toys on the side.